Nope. Morning. Good morning. How's everyone doing? Ooh, meta is boom booming. How's everyone doing? You guys vote already? You vote? Hopeful. Hope so. Anyone betting on the elections? Trump, nice. We'll see. Do you guys think we're gonna have the results today? Later today, or is it gonna be tomorrow? Delayed. I don't remember how I was the last two elections. I was here, but I don't remember. Ooh, everything's like flying. Who's in meta with me? Who took meta? Damn. Oh, I need to change this. Okay. Pretty much the same levels that we had yesterday. On span the Q 488 is a big level here. If the Q can hold it, let's see if it's gonna give us more upside. And for SPY, it will be yesterday high. 572, 572.50. The premium that I'm selling on DJT is looking fantastic. I think I'm gonna get 100% on that premium, and the IV was over 600%, which is insane. That was insane. Everything is flying. Anyone on that AI Lips play? It's already up 75%. $600%. The IV on DJT, it was 640% when I got my boots. I'm selling premium on the boots. So I'm basically I'm getting money every time DJT. Well, as long as DJT is above 30, I'm making money. Palantir Lips, nice. Palantir is above all-time high, right? It made a new all-time high. That 220 hold on Apple was very, very interesting. $400%, nice. Just make sure to lock some profit so that trade is free. Data 10, awesome, thank you. Thank you, Spencer. You can sell premium above, so make it you can sell above. So basically you make a spread and you can keep making money, and if it goes lower you make on the sale that you're doing. So basically let's see, Palantir. This is what I do when I see something running so much. Morning. So how is the premium on Palantir? %, that's good. Okay, let's see. This is the level that I'm looking at. Let's see if we can have a break of this high. Okay, so yeah, everything running. I know we're all very excited for that, but we need to be smart here, be patient, and wait for either a clear break of this high on SPY or waiting for a pullback to 488 on the Q. And if the market doesn't like consolidate and doesn't give us a entry, well, we have Meta. Well, I have Meta and I have DJT. Okay. Okay, let's see. Key level here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and we have data at 10. What data we have at 10? ISM services. Okay. Oh, we have a 9:45. We have PMI. So we have at 9:45 and then at 10. Okay, ugly reaction there on SPY. Morning, Rob. Morning. Coin and BTC, Bitcoin, like always, right, Rob? You're trading coin every single day. Salud. Ooh, that's an ugly reaction there. Ugly. Under the VWAP is very, very weak. And BTC futures? That's Bitcoin futures, right? That's micro. And what's the mini for Bitcoin? What's the it's BTC? Just BTC? Okay. Oh, so, but that's not too good. $10 every 100 move of BTC. I don't know if it's worth it. Dun, 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 dun. I want the Q to go lower to 488 and do the same thing that it did yesterday. Just consolidate at 488. Microsoft looking pretty strong. It has a big gap above 416. Yeah, big gap. Yerba mate? Are you Argentinian? I've never tried mate, honestly. I heard it's very sour. Californian? Buenos días. Ooh, that combination sounds good. Okay, we already had data out, PMI 945. Now we have another more data at 10. So let's wait like 13 more minutes for data. I'm looking more profits on Meta. RTY, let's see what's IWM's. Damn. 222 is a level that it needs to break. Well, the market's moving without me before data. I might just miss the trade today. We'll see. Still too early to say that. Please wait for me. Wait for data. Who's using Tradeify? Have you guys traded with Tradeify? I love it. the payments, the dashboard, their website, everything is so clear. The rules are so easy to follow, and you apply for payment and you get your money in the bank like in 1 hour, 2 hours. It's so good. We can trade up to 7 accounts, like 7 funded accounts, but you can trade with 7 funded accounts and trade with more evals. I'm using the 50k straight to funded. I think I'm gonna try the 150k. I think I'm gonna try the 150k. Am I promoting? I only talk about the prop firms that I use, so it's not a promotion. I use them. I've been paid. I think they're very consistent. No problem, no drama. So it's not a promotion. It's something that I use. And I've been talking about them for a month, I think, already. The 25k on my funded futures, I think it's 300 daily. That's if you want to have the 20% consistency, is I think it's 300 daily. Which state? I'm from Venezuela. But I live in Miami. On the 25k my funded milestone, I think you can only use 1 mini. Not 3, 1. But yeah, I always use the 50k accounts on pretty much everything. I use my funded futures, Tradeify, and Apex. But I'm using the 25k straight to funded account on my funded futures. And I think I'm gonna try it out the 150k on Tradeify. But I always go for the 50k. It's too easy. If you need to pass, if you need like a profit target, it's always 3k. Making 3k's it's not hard. With 150k, it depends on the prop, but I think most of the time it's 9k that you need to make. Other props ask you for 7k, but I think it's 9k most of the time. For beginners, I made a post on my Discord where I talk about that. This is the link. Here is the link. Fast track, I will not recommend fast track. Why would I? Fast track is having so many troubles. There's so many prop firms that work perfectly fine, smooth, no drama. They pay in time. So why using fast track? Dang it, I'm missing all these moves. We have data in 5. I need the market to calm down a little bit. So this is how I will do it if I were new with the on the prop firm space. I will just buy a easy account with, for me, I think right now is a 25k milestone account on my funded futures. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, the 25k straight to funded or challenge account on my funded futures, and then very easy to pass. You just need to make $300 daily, or just go to, yeah, $300 daily. You pass it, you pass the challenge. You can apply right away for $750 dollars for your payment, so you get paid $750, and then use that money and buy 20 APEX accounts, or buy 7 Tradeify straight to funded accounts. Yeah, the 20% rule, that's why I say make 300 daily. You make 300 daily and that's it. Pretty easy. So go to my funded futures, get the 25k, make 300 daily, not more than that, because otherwise you won't be on the 20% rule, consistency rule. And then with that money, just buy, I think you can buy 50k on Tradeify straight to funded, and then just go slowly but steady but slowly. And then make money, get paid, and then reinvest that money. So you're basically only paying for one, but you need to be patient. You guys need to be patient. The thing is, like, most of you just want to make money, like be rich right away. Remember, it's not the speed. The speed doesn't matter if you're going on the wrong direction. Slow, steady. Spy, calm down. I want to trade today. The free course, you guys, it's just a few lessons that I've taught here, that I think are important if you want to know pretty much every detail and step by step, how I trade. It's just only gonna be on my mentoring program. And on the elite course. Yeah, dang it. Whoa. I don't know. I don't check SPX chart. But I do know spine the Q has big gaps above. Still not near there. 492. A little bit. It's Thursday high for both the spine the Q above. Thursday high are the gaps on spine the Q. Yeah. I post on my Discord my levels pre-market. Yeah, levels and watch list. So this is my Discord here, and what I post pre-market is buying the queue levels, what I'm looking to trade, what levels I'm looking to trade, and my watch list also. So for today is Intel, Apple, TSM, Meta, and Nvidia, and you guys have a little explanation what I'm looking on each one of those charts for me to take a trade there. And you have the link down below. Okay, so now we wait for either a pullback to this level here or the VWAP, or a break of Thursday high, or rejection of Thursday high. I would like to see a break because the market is pretty bullish right now, so I would prefer to see a break, but if I see an ugly rejection, I'm gonna take it. Right now the Q, it's a little bit above Friday high. It's gonna hold it at support. It's gonna be very bullish, and most likely we're gonna see a move higher to Thursday high, and then we have the gap. IWM 222, very important level. I'm not on a play yet. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not on play yet. Well, I'm not on futures. I'm on a few plays on options, but not on futures. DJT at 39? 40 is a big level there. If it can break 40 and hold it as support, that thing can go to, I think, 55, 54. These 30-minute candles are getting ugly here on SPY and the Q. $139 Nvidia. Meta looking pretty good. Apple kind of choppy. NQ rejecting 300. Okay, the Q is holding Friday high as support. You could make a little trade here, but I prefer to wait for either a pullback to the VWAP or 488 or this major level here. Apple kind of rejecting yesterday high. And then, I'm sorry, Nvidia. Nvidia's rejecting yesterday high. Meta also having a little bit of trouble there. Apple looks like it wants to go to 226, 225. I'm watching how this 30-minute candle is gonna close. It's so far it's kind of rejecting here that Friday high. So I guess we have a little level there. Okay, I kind of like that reaction, the 30-minute candle. But it's risky. It's risky to go short on a very bullish market today. And SPY is holding very, very good. Looks like right now it's consolidation time. People making crazy money with Palantir. Let's see what IWM is doing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Should we try it? Mm, let's see if I want to. Do I want to do it? Yeah, I'm gonna go. No. Wait. Just like this move here on the Q looks like a bull flag. Yeah, I don't want to short if the SPY and the Q keeps looking super bullish. Let's see. So this 30-minute candle has a little over 11 minutes to close. So I think I'm gonna wait for a little bit here. But the risk to reward on the Russell short is not bad at all. I kind of want to do it. Ooh, okay. This move here looks more bearish than bullish now. But IWM is holding very good. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I got in. My stop loss is gonna be a strong break of 222. I think it's very risky because again we are going against the trend, but we could find a little scalp there. Meta looking kind of weak. Nvidia holding very good. Apple holding very good so far. We have the Q fighting Friday high. We have SPY fighting 574. Maybe a pullback to the VWAP. That will be beautiful. Or 221. But we need SPY and the Q pulling back. Oh, why am it set down? What? It's RTY, shoot. Yes, it's RTY. RTY. Dang it. That was it though. Okay, now I got RTY. Now I got it. No. So I was by mistake. I was trading the Dow. RTY is IWM. It's the Russell. If I'm looking for pullbacks, is it a short or is it a long? I'm talking about 222 rejection. If I'm looking for a rejection, I'm looking for a move to the upside or the downside. Okay, I don't think this is gonna work out with the SPY and the Q going boom boom. But we'll see. I think the best trade is waiting for this high here on SPY, waiting for this high here on the Q. Gonna add one more there. I want to see IWN keep it at under 222. Okay, I like that reaction. We need the market to help us a little bit here. A pullback to the VWAP here on the SPY and the Q will be amazing for us. This hold here on the Q is looking pretty bullish. But IWM definitely weaker than SPY and the Q. So I like this trade. Is it an A+ setup? I don't think so. Because I'm going against the trend. The daily trend. But I still like it. Come on, IWM, give me a pullback to the VWAP or 221. Meta kind of looking like a head and shoulder, and we have Nvidia rejecting yesterday high. Okay, IWM looking more weak. We need the Q to lose this little support here. I would love to see a SPY also going down to the VWAP. Come on, give me a little bit more. Okay, we're looking good. We're looking good. We're looking weak. Okay. Beautiful. 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 I want to see a SPY in the queue retesting the VWAP. We're looking pretty good. I also want to see IWM touching the VWAP here. Or at least 221. Okay. I want to see a rejecting there. This 30-minute candle on the Q is a clear rejection. SPY is just an indecision candle. It can go to either way, but the Q is a clear rejection. IWM looking pretty weak. Okay, I want to see it rejecting here. So, what I'm looking here is I want to see IWM rejecting these wicks here. Want to see it rejecting there. So basically I want to see it under 221.40. And I would love to see the Q pulling back to 488. I don't know if that's gonna happen. And SPY till 572.50, 572. Let's see if we can have a VWAP test here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna sell one at the VWAP, and then I'll see how it reacts at the VWAP and see if we have a strong bounce. I'm getting all out. If I see it like having a little bit trouble here, I'm holding the rest of it. But yeah, I already have an order to sell around here. I like this Nvidia 139 rejection. That's definitely gonna help the market going lower, and it's gonna help my trade. We have Apple fighting the VWAP, Nvidia fighting 139. Ooh, I don't like that move. That's the 221 level. That's Nvidia. I want to see it rejecting here. SPY is looking pretty strong. In fact, I liked this Q hold to the upside. Nvidia is looking pretty bullish now. Let's see if IWM is gonna react here or not. I don't like that move. But I still like this rejection area here. Apple is rejecting the VWAP. Damn, I'm gonna go back to red. That's a very strong move. Apple breaking down. I like this rejection on the Q, on SPY, but IWM is looking way stronger than the rest of the ETF. Well, Bad move for me because I was green $500. Well, that's what happened. Like, I can hold it, long move, like big move, but this is the other side of the coin. Apple looking weak, Nvidia looking strong. Microsoft is kind of looking weak, but it's above the VWAP. Meta's doing nothing. Nvidia is looking like it wants to boom boom. I kind of want to go long here on the Q because I like how Nvidia is consolidating here. I know it's looking very risky. Apple looking weak. We have Nvidia rejecting again. Looking pretty bullish, but it's still not breaking into 22. But yes, it's looking pretty bullish. And if it breaks 222, the trade is to the upside. Yeah, it looks like a flag. Yes. I really like this Q possible upside play. Okay, 222. Let's see if it's really gonna hold there. Okay, I'm adding two more. Okay, it's about to stop me out. Let's see. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Stupid trade. On my part, the problem that I had is that I was waiting for the retest of the VWAP. That was the problem that I had. But I should have just taken profit and that's it, because I knew I was trading against the market. Yep. Not every single day I'm gonna take good trades. Sometimes I do stupid things like today. Because that was stupid. Definitely stupid. No, yeah, I know. The trade was good. The bad thing that I did is I did not take profits at 221, which I said it before. I said I was gonna take some profit at 221 and I didn't follow my plan. And I still kind of like this 222 rejection, but we need an ugly 30-minute candle. And this 30-minute candle is looking pretty bullish. It's engulfing the one before. Maybe if it stays here and we see a rejection of 575.50 on SPY, that could help IWM go lower. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Ooh, I might take it again. Might take it again. The Q is looking pretty strong. SPY is right at this very important resistance. Guys, I'm gonna take it again. I'm sorry. My stop loss is gonna be this high. I added more. Apple very weak now. We have Nvidia pulling back. I think we could have another 221 pullback here. These 30-minute candles on the Q are not looking too hot, but the Q keeps holding. So we're having so far no continuation to the downside. Thirty-minute candles on SPY also looking ugly. But we'll see. Come on, IWM, go lower. Okay, unlocking some profits here. Holding two runners. The idea of this trade is exactly the same that the one that I took before, so I want to see it under 222. It's gonna be my stop loss, gonna be this little high here, and I'm looking for a 221 retest or the VWAP. I think the VWAP it's getting there. Apple weak. We have Meta doing nothing. We have Microsoft kind of weak, but it's still holding the VWAP, and we have Nvidia kind of choppy, but it keeps making higher highs and higher lows. Let's see if I can go back to green. Or at least break even. Leads to 0. Oh, watch out if the Q cannot hold the VWAP. If the Q cannot hold the VWAP, this could be a very good short also. Okay. Okay. If Microsoft cannot hold the VWAP, and same thing with Meta, we're gonna have the market going lower, way lower. Come on, give me more. Give me more. We have SPY fighting the VWAP. "30-minute candles looking ugly." Apple, it's looking ugly. SPY, the Q holding the VWAP so far. Fighting there. We have Nvidia pulling down, Apple pulling down. The VWAP here on the Q is very important. But the 30-minute candles are not looking good. Come on, just pull back to 221. Keep going. Keep going lower. Okay, I like that. Keep going. We need to SPY in the Q to lose the VWAP for a real move to the downside. Okay. Not like that. Nvidia fighting 139. If the Q and SPY can lose the VWAP, I think IWM is done so. But they keep fighting there. Come on, go lower. Go lower. Ooh, I like this rejection on the Q. I kind of want to take this Q rejection of the VWAP. That was very clean rejection there. Come on, SPY, just lose the VWAP already, so we can move lower. We just need a SPY to lose the VWAP. Come on. Come on. I want to see IWM keep it under this level here. These, yeah, I want to see it making lower highs and lower highs. Nvidia keeps holding 139. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. Look like it faked me out. We'll see. Ooh, I got fake out there. Or not. Well, let's see. I like more the Q and SPY levels here, or how both are bouncing out of the VWAP. So I think this is the next trade. Are we gonna hold here or we're gonna reject here? Very choppy right at the VWAP, but so far it's holding. Very fakey. But I like it. Very weird 30-minute candles on both span the Q. But clean rejection here, rejection, and we had another rejection today. I'm going long here on the Q. I like this VWAP hold. My stop loss is gonna be if you cannot hold the VWAP. And I don't think it's a good swing. It's a good move to swing anything right now. Unless you're okay losing that money. I'm looking for a move to this high here. Okay. Ooh. Beautiful. I'm all out. Back to green, guys. Back to green. Ooh. What a struggle. What a struggle. Honestly, today wasn't hard. It just, I made a stupid mistake with my first trade. That's it. But I don't think today was a hard day to trade. It was difficult. I don't think so. I think I made it hard for me because the first trade I should have just taken profit at 221, but we're back to green. I do think we could see a potential move to this level, but I just wanted to go back to green. I think this VWAP hold is very bullish. Very bullish. And I think the best thing we can do is just wait for these two levels here. That would be an A+ setup. If we can break this high, and waiting for a strong break and then waiting for a pullback. Because both have gaps above. That will be beautiful if we can break this high and then wait for a pullback and then we play this gap or this gap. Just pick one. IWN is looking like it wants to break 222. But 170 on Google, that hold looks very good. It looks very, very good. Let's see how's the premium there. Oh, it's very cheap. What? I'm taking 175 Google for next week. If you guys don't want to lose money, because anything can happen today or Thursday, but if you guys don't want to lose money, just don't buy it. Don't take it. And I'm also taking weeklies, 175, but that one is way too out of the money. It's risky, but I like the risk to reward there. But I think the best one is taking next week's 175. Those contracts are down today, so we're taking advantage of that. Also, we're buying time. If the market goes crazy tonight or tomorrow pre-market, we have very, very good trade. That's Google. Again, if you guys do not want to lose money, do not take this one. I took Google 175 for next week, and I took some high risk 175 for this week. Pretty risky with everything. With everything coming up tonight or tomorrow and Thursday FOMC. But I like it. Yeah. By the way, the SPY calls that I bought today, those are back to green. Those are green. The 590 calls are 19% up. I feel like I'm trading too much today. I do not like that, but too many good setups. If the market goes crazy, we could definitely see the Google going to 176. Under yesterday, I don't really have a stop loss there. But yeah, stop loss could be ugly rejection of yesterday's low. I don't like Tesla because Tesla has a huge gap below. I don't swing anything to the upside if it has a huge gap below. Tesla could definitely just ignore this gap and keep going higher, but I do not like this chart at all. We could easily have an ugly day and fill this gap. I only feel comfortable swinging Tesla if it's up, so I will say this high and holding this high, or if it fills the gap and it holds support. But where it is right now, I do not like it for a swing. I could definitely see it like this 240 level. It was very clean hold. I could have trade, like day trade or scalp out of that level, but I would not swing trade that. Again, Tesla could definitely go high, way higher and completely ignore this gap, but I don't like swinging anything that it has a huge gap below. Intel, yeah, it's still looking pretty good. Same thing with Celsius, but Celsius has earnings, I think, tomorrow or tonight. Tomorrow, yeah. Yeah, Intel is still looking pretty good. I think the Intel lips I'm gonna pay hard. I think for me, if I get the move that I'm looking for on Intel, it's gonna be a big trade. And you guys have that chart on my Discord. I posted today pre-market. And look what it's doing right now. Beautiful bounce. Beautiful bounce. Are we gonna have just choppy move for the rest of the day and do nothing? It's almost 11:30. It's 11:20. SPY premiums are not high. I thought I was expecting for a SPY in the cube, but mostly a SPY to have a very good like high IV today. Okay, this level here. This is the time when I need to get out of here, but these levels are the levels that I want to trade, and the market is taking forever to get there. But this consolidation above on a flag above the VWAP is extremely bullish. Are we gonna have a boom boom here? Are we gonna have a boom boom here? That's what I'm expecting. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay, so I'm gonna get what up? I'm gonna get more coffee. I think I'm gonna get water, bathroom break, and I'll be back. It's gonna take me like 2 minutes, so I'll see you guys in a few. Scream if you guys see it, Spine the Cube breaking this level. I'll be back. That was fast. Yeah, nothing happened. Well, this was such a clean pullback to the VWAP. Very clean pullback to the VWAP. I think SPY is the cleanest one today. Yeah, look at this hold, 572 hold, VWAP, reaction here. Ay. Yeah, this is taking forever. Thank you. We have FOMC on Thursday. Okay, looks like we're gonna move now or not. I'm so hungry. I need this market to start moving. I'm hungry. I need to go to the gym. I have a bunch of stuff to do today. I don't know if I want to keep trading with these accounts. These accounts, Apex, are up 100, a little bit over $100. Or should I just trade with my funded futures? Or should I trade with Tradeify? Or if we finally see this high break here on SPY, I may trade with every single one of those props. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is the next trade, guys. Unless we see a very ugly rejection there. But I don't know if I want to trade again against the trend. I already did it. We're not seeing big pullbacks. We always see the market wanna keeps going higher. So I think it's smart for me to just wait for that break. Yeah, the market's pretty bullish today. So same thing with the Q, guys. So just pick one. Pick whichever you like. Taking this out because it looks ugly. Nvidia, it's also right at resistance. 140, 140.35 is resistance on Nvidia. Apple is getting back above the VWAP. Microsoft has a huge gap above. Let's pay attention to that. It needs to break Thursday high also. So basically just like SPY and the Q, if Microsoft can break Thursday high, has a huge gap above, so it's boom boom time for Microsoft too. Let's see if we break this high, and this high is definitely boom boom time. Definitely boom boom time. Nvidia was crazy clean today. I do like the meta hold. Do I like this entry? Nope. I do not like this entry. The entry was yesterday near 560. That's your entry on meta. Here, it's doing nothing, but that's yesterday high. So it basically is right at resistance. And you have SPY and the Q right at resistance also. Come on, just do something. Start moving. Yeah, we're doing nothing. So it's 11:40. I'm gonna wait here with you guys till 12, so 20 more minutes. If nothing happened before 12, I'm getting out of here. I'm hungry, I want to go to the gym, and I have a bunch of stuff to do. And I already have SPY goals for Friday, so if the market move higher, I'm making money. Ooh, IWM holding 222. Holding 222. So there you have another trade. So pick one. You either gonna go for SPY or the Q or IWM. I do. But I don't journal like I did in the beginning of my trading career. I just put my gains, my P&L. Because I didn't notice that I was making so much money with futures before starting doing this. So this was yesterday, this was Friday. Since I started like journaling using TradeZilla this year, I'm all around 500k. Well, one thing is just putting your trades and looking at your P&L. Another thing is really journaling, like writing your plan on each trade, like your emotions, everything. That's what you need I think that's what you need for really understanding what you're doing wrong or right. Only watching your P&L says nothing. Like, it tells you nothing. Because I could have a big green day, but a really bad setup. So I could just be lucky on that trade. And that says nothing to me. So if you want to improve your trading, we need to journal how it should be done. So how you just go, and because for me it's gonna be difficult because I'm trading with too many accounts. So but if you guys are trading options, it's gonna be very easy. Just go, yes, put your P&L. Obviously your trade is gonna tell you P&L, but the most important thing is how was the plan? Did you follow the plan? How were you feeling before taking the trade, during the trade, especially during the trade? Because that's how you're gonna know if you feel nervous, if you feel relaxed, if you're playing with a comfortable size, if it was a YOLO, everything. Could it be a reaction play? Yeah, definitely. But again, the market is having, yes, we can have a reaction here. We could scalp a reaction here, but the market is not really giving us clean pullbacks. Like, how do we catch big move. We catch big move when we go with the market, with the trend. Can we play a pullback here? Yes, it could be an easy scalp, especially because Nvidia is right at resistance, SPY is at resistance, the Q is at resistance, and Apple is kind of having trouble at the VWAP. Looking so far like a clean rejection, right? The first time any stock touch a very important level, you're gonna have a rejection. We have ES at 1800. I'm sorry, 800. Important level 2. It's the same thing as this level. So this is why I don't really use futures, because I can see this important level here, right, on ES, and it's the same level that I see on SPY. So resistance here. So I see no reason why watching ES and SPY. It's the same thing, pretty much. Different numbers, but resistance is the same. The resistance are the same. Thoughts on Apple? Apple is doing nothing. Very choppy. Very choppy. But the 220 hold on Apple is very important. Okay, let's see if SPY is gonna break out here. Come on, SPY. Do it. Another rejection? Maybe? You have there another quick scalp. We are reacting but not really moving. And that's bullish. Unless I see an ugly 30-minute candle there, I don't think it's worth it risking that possible rejection play. I know, it's pretty boring. And it's only gonna get very excited if we see an ugly reaction of the VWAP or a strong break of this high. Nine more minutes till 12. Yes, I'm looking for a break and retest. Or just a strong break, because we didn't have any retest. Well, we had a retest here, so yeah. Come on, just do it. Do it already. I feel like we're gonna have a huge candle coming up out of nowhere. And I don't know, I feel like we're gonna have a huge candle and then it's gonna be difficult to enter. And we have stocks looking pretty bullish, looking pretty good now. Meta looks like it's flagging, Nvidia moving above 140, Apple holding the VWAP, Microsoft also looking pretty strong. Let's see if we're gonna have a boom boom here. Nvidia right at resistance right now. Come on, do it. Do it. Do it already. Nvidia reacting. We need to be very patient here. We need to wait for a clear break, because we could definitely go and buy here and then we get a reaction, or we try to play a reaction and we have a huge candle going boom boom. So we need to be very, very patient and wait for confirmation of either ugly reaction or a break of this resistance. So patience time. Another reaction, but not moving. We're not moving. Okay, guys, it's 12. I'm getting out of here, so you guys know what's my next trade. But I need to eat, go to the gym, so I'm not looking to keep watching this. But you guys know what are the clear levels to watch out, and big gap above on both the SPY and the Q. Tricky day for me, but it ended green, thankfully. 10 more minutes. We are rejecting the same level. I think we can have another pullback to the VWAP here, or 574, and then keep playing around here. But I'm done. This is getting boring. I'm done. You guys know what to do, so trust in yourself and practice patience here. Ugly reaction on Nvidia, right at the level that I've been talking about the past few minutes. And yes, I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here, and remember to like the video. Bye.